Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: DIY sunscreen. Protecting your skin naturally. Whether you're a parent looking for a safe and effective way to shield your kids from harmful rays or an adult seeking a natural alternative, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you some easy recipes for making your own sunscreen at home. So, let's dive in. Understanding sunscreen and the importance of natural alternatives. Before we jump into the recipes, let's take a moment to understand why sunscreen is crucial for protecting our skin. Sunscreen forms a barrier that helps prevent harmful UV rays from damaging our skin and causing sunburns, premature aging, and even skin cancer. While there are many commercial sunscreens available, some contain chemicals that may not be suitable for everyone, especially kids or those with sensitive skin. That's where DIY sunscreens come to the rescue. They offer a natural alternative, providing you with control over the ingredients and customization according to your specific needs. Recipe number 1. Lavender and coconut sunscreen. In a double boiler, melt 1/2 cup coconut oil and 2 tablespoons shea butter over low heat. Remove from heat and add the 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide powder, non-nano, 1 teaspoon of red raspberry seed oil, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Stir well to combine all the ingredients thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a clean, airtight container and let it cool and solidify. Your lavender and coconut sunscreen is ready to use. Apply generously to your skin before sun exposure. Recipe number 2. Aloe vera and green tea sunscreen. In a double boiler, melt 1/4 cup coconut oil and 2 tablespoons shea butter over low heat. Remove from heat and add the 1/4 cup aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons non-nano zinc oxide powder, and 1 tablespoon green tea extract. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Transfer the mixture to a clean container and let it cool down and solidify. Apply the aloe vera and green tea sunscreen generously to your skin before going out in the sun. Recipe number 3. Calendula and carrot seed sunscreen. In a double boiler, melt 1/4 cup almond oil, 2 tablespoons beeswax pellets, and 2 tablespoons shea butter over low heat. Remove from heat and add 1 tablespoon zinc oxide powder, 1 tablespoon calendula oil, and 10 drops carrot seed essential oil. Stir well until all the ingredients are thoroughly blended. Pour the mixture into a clean container and allow it to cool and solidify. Apply the calendula and carrot seed sunscreen generously to your skin to protect it from the sun's rays. Note: it's important to remember that these homemade sunscreens may have a lower SPF than commercial sunscreens. Reapply them frequently, especially after swimming or sweating, and limit your sun exposure during peak hours. Additionally, perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any allergies or sensitivities before using these recipes. Additional tips for sun protection and final thoughts. Now that we've covered these fantastic DIY sunscreen recipes, let's quickly go over some additional tips to enhance your sun protection routine. First, it's essential to seek shade during peak sun hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Wear protective clothing, such as hats, long-sleeved shirts, and sunglasses. And don't forget to apply sunscreen to all exposed areas, including your ears, neck, and the tops of your feet. That wraps up our video on DIY sunscreen, protecting your skin naturally. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create your own sun protection products. By opting for these homemade alternatives, you can have peace of mind knowing exactly what you're putting on your skin and the skin of your loved ones. Stay safe, protect your skin, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!